swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing my nails, and that is me with a nail cutter prepping my nails and then taking out this tool, which is a drill that's gonna be helping me to file down my nails. And I will not be using acrylic powder, so I will just be using a nail polish gel. And I will have to be doing both my nails, both my hands. Excuse me. Put that away, and now it's time for me to choose the right sizes for my fingernails. And when that is done, I will use this glue that is also available at local supermarkets to glue the nail tips on my nails. And that is me trying to press down and make sure that the tips are glued properly on my nails. So those are my nails when they're done. They look so pretty and long, but then I had to cut them short. And now I am using a file to file properly the nail tip into shape. Yes, I could use the drill, but then for shape I had to use the file. And I had to constantly check if they look the same. So this is the gel base that I'm gonna be using on my nails so that there is a smooth transition from my cuticle nail to the end of the tip, and so that the nail polish gel can have something to sit on. After all that, I had to cure for 120 seconds. That is the color that I chose to go with for my nail polish gel. And I cure again. And I tried to do a French tip using this little pointed stick with a white color. And all I can say is doing a French tip is really hard. And therefore I had to change to a purple color. Now this is me trying to design a marble instead on my ring finger, using the purple and the white and mixing it all up with that same stick. And I also tried to write some letters on my nails and all that, some designs. And now this last part is the cuticle oil, because my cuticles have gone through a lot today and they need to be moisturized. And that is it for my nails.
I just swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some